Hello, welcome to my channel. Let Africa Think. I am Prof K. There is no question that the continent of Africa has so many potential and that many people from the West and other countries are flocking to this continent to take advantage of its potential. Looking at some of the basic numbers, the current population is around 1.2 billion or more. It is expected to be about 1.7 billion, 2 billion by the year 2030, 2040. Average GDP growth is about 5.4%, and that many industries continue to grow despite the global economic slowdown. The problem of Africa's potential is that the sons and daughters of Africa don't see this potential. We allow people from the West and other countries to show us the potential of Africa, and then by investing in the potential, they reap the continental resources to build their own countries. Don't get me wrong, I like and I call for foreign investment in Africa, but the sons and daughters of Africa must learn to think and put together policies, programs that allow indigenous Africans to establish businesses so that they can tap in this potential without allowing foreigners to overwhelmingly take control of the continent and our resources. Unless Africans begin to think, our continent will be besieged and overtaken by foreign investors who don't have, in reality, our growth and development at heart. They are just there to make money and use that money and resources, take it back home to build their own countries. Let Africans think. Let the sons and daughters of Africa understand this potential, so that in as much as we call for foreign investment, which I am all for, we can also invest in this continent and reap the benefits of this potential instead of allowing others from outside to come in, grab our resources, take it outside, and build their own countries. The potential for this continent is across board. Infrastructure, businesses, hydroelectric power, you name it, solar power. Let African think. Let the sons and daughters of Africa learn to think and learn to make sure that they are putting their business acumen into play. Because if we cannot develop our own continent, nobody, I've said nobody, will come in and help us develop our own continent. Let Africa think. I hope this helps. I am Prof K. Please like and comment on this video and also subscribe to my channel as I continue to make more videos. Let Africa think. I'll see you next time. I hope this helped.